You can see this is a new platform that Fountain Pip is using, and people are complaining with this, but this is very good. First, I don't like it, but now that I know how to use it, it is very good. I'm not going to lie to you. So stick with me. Let me show you how you can use this, and you will love it. So when you click on this trade over here, this is what you're going to see over here. At first, you're going to see so many pairs that they put over here, and when you don't like most of the pair, this is what you can do. You click on these all symbols, and these categories over here, we have commodities, cryptos, FX indices, and popular. When you click on here, you can see the pairs that are on the home page. So we have gold over there. If you don't like gold, you just click like this to take it out. And if you click on this commodity back, you are here. And if you click on crypto, you can see we have Bitcoin there. If you don't like Bitcoin, you can click on this star to take it out over there. Click on the crypto again and click on FX, and you can see all the pairs that are there by seeing the stars over here. So we have Eurocard over there. If you don't like Eurocard, you just click on it out. If you don't like Euro JPY there, you just click on it out. If you don't like Euro USD, you can click on them out. GBP card, you can click on it out. GBP USD, if you don't like it, you can click on it out. And the rest you just check, and the ones that you like, you can just add them. And when you go to indices, we don't have any pair over there. So when you go back to favorite, this is what you're going to see, because we've taken some out, and that's it. This is how you can add your symbols to trade. Anytime you want to trade, you can click on one of them. When you want to trade GBP card, you can click on it, and you can see over here we have top movers and we have news. Right now it is on news. That's why you are seeing this news over here. When you want to open it more, you can click on this over here, this button over here, and drag it to the downside. Let me show you. You see, this is the news that you have. You can see the news over here. If you don't want to see all this news too, you can just bring it up or put it here. And if you see this profit over here, when you click on it, this is what it's going to show. You're going to see your profit for the day, equity, free funds, and balance, margin, and margin level. You're going to see everything over there. You can leave it this way, but you can click on it as well to put it back. This is flexible. So let's move to this position. When you move to position, when you are in a trade and the trade is in loss or profit, it is going to be here, open position. It is going to here, open position. The trade is going to be here. You will see it over there. I'll be entering trade. So as you see over here, it is late in the night, but I'll be entering a trade so that you can see. When you click on these pending orders, you can see over here any trader is set like buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, sell limit. All is going to appear over here because they are pending orders. They are going to appear over here. So let's move to history. So if you click on this history, you are going to see all trades that you've taken. Do you understand? You're going to see all trades that you've taken during the day, the dates that you select over here, like something like this. When I select 7 days, you can see the trades that I took during the 7 days. That was when the incident happened with Fountain Pips. They have been shut down on MetaTrader 5, so there is no trade. We were all waiting for new platform to be introduced. So if you click on this 24, you can see I've taken trade today, the 0.01 to test the platform. So there is it over here, and you can see the profit that I made with this position 0.01, and you can see everything over here. This is it. When you click on this finance, you can see there is no result, and this performance, we don't have much trade. So let's move to close positions, and that's what you're going to see over there. But when you want pending position, these are just closed. So this is what you're going to see over here. So when you move to account, you're going to see something like this, and you will see your account number and the level you are, student and practitioner. You're going to see it over there. And user setting, this is what you're going to see. You have to make sure broker notification is on, market notification is on, and demo trading notification you have to turn it off because you're not going to trade demo on this platform. And market notification, GBP card and Euro USD and GBP USD, those are the pairs that I've selected. So this is what is going to be here, and you can cancel this, cancel GBP USD over there. If you want more, you can UK oil, Euro NZD, US oil, you can select them, you can cancel them as well, because you don't want any news, any notification from those pairs. Do you understand? So this is pretty much what you need over there. This security and this investor access, you can generate some and give to the investor to be checking the trades and those kind of stuff. And that's everything that you need to see. When you go about, you can see the company is Fun Pips, the address is Dubai, you can see over here. So let's move. This particular one is being customized for Fun and Pips, so don't go and download it from the Play Store or App Store. It is going to give you tough time. So make sure you go to the page, Fun and Pip page. That's when you're going to get something like this. That company name is going to be Fun and Pips, and that's not going to give you a stress. You understand? So let's move to this side. So this is what you can see. This is what I've showed you earlier. So let's click on Euro USD. So we are on Euro USD right now, and if I want to enter trade from the current marketplace, I'll just click on sell and adjust my stop loss. Do you understand? So what is going to happen is this. We have this. I'm going to enter 0.01 over here so that you can see, and if I click on this, you can see over here position successfully added. So you can see over there. So I just sold over there. And if you go to the back side, let's go to position. You can see over here we have position running and profit. Over here you can see details. The charges are, that's commission, it is 0.02. you can see it over there. Do you understand? And it is running and profit over there. So when you want to close the position, you close it over here, but I would like it to move to more than this position, then we close it. Do you understand? It should be more than this position, then we close it. You can see the amount over here that we haven't right here. So let's move something like this. So when you click on this pair again, and we want to buy from this level, buy limit from this level. I'm not on my trading view, so let's use this way. So I want to buy it from this level, 1.08050. So this is what we are going to do. I'm just going to move to pending orders. So it is a limit order, so I'm going to do buy a limit, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the price over here, 1.08. let me take it back again, 0.08050. So they brought the pending order over there. So I'm going to I'll just enter my stop loss. Click on here to put my stop loss. I'll just put my stop loss over there. Click on this plus to add profit. Do you understand? Click on this to add profit. You can bring it you can close it. You can click on it to set the profit target. Do you understand? Anytime you enter it, they are going to give you value. So if I set my stop loss here and I lose that trade, I'm going to lose this amount, which is 0.91 cent. Do you understand? And this, when I win, I'm going to win this. So if I enter any price over here, you can see what I'm gaining if I win. Over here you can see what I'm gaining if I win. Do you see it over there? So that's not what you are going to do. So just clean everything. Just click on it. So I can click on this. I'm just doing this to show you. So I can click on buy limit over here. So I just click on it plenty to show you something. I will delete everything, and if I delete it, they are not going to show you anything like this or that or this. Or I can do sell stop because the order is over here. So this can be sell stop or buy limit, and I can click on sell stop plenty to sell over there. Do you understand? So if I get back to that, this position over here, you will see what we're having over here. I'm having this that is running in profit 0.03. So if I close it, my order is being closed. Do you understand? So it is being closed, and you can see the pending orders. You can see that they are here, pending orders. These are the sell stop that I've done, and these are the buy limit that I've done. Do you understand? Just have to click on it once, but I just click on it plenty to show you something. I just want everything to be plenty over here to show you. You can see over here I can cancel order, 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 and cancel order. You can see there is no order here again. So these are the positions. So if you go to trade and go back, you will not see any order over there again. I can just expand this by clicking on this expand button over here too. Then I'll tap on this drawing and cancel it over here. So if you want to take a drawing tool, this is where you can find it. You can see the vertical line and channel, horizontal, a trend line, and Fibonacci. And here if you click on these settings, you can see what is over here. You can enable the grid. This is the grid on the chart, and you can put it off. And position, display positions, it is very necessary. You have to show your positions, your trades on the chart. That's very necessary. And these are the indicators. This over here, click on it, it's going to vanish. And these are the time frame. You can select 1 minute, you can select 5 minutes, you can select 15, you can select 30, you can select 1 hour, you can select 4 hours, you can select 1 day, you can select 1 week, you can select 1 month. But let's put it on 15-minute time frame. And when you click on this, you're going to see line chart and candle. So let me click on line chart. This is line chart, you can see over here. So click on this, and this is it. You can see over here, these are the drawings, and this is what you're going to use to expand everything. So you expand it smaller, and you can change the time frame here as well. You can change the time frame when it is like this. When you want to set a pending order, you just have to click on this pending. When you want to enter on the current market price, you just have to enter here. Pretty much simple. It is very simple. It is very good, and you can see what is over here. When you are in trade, you can see your position over here. Whenever you didn't expand it, you can see the trade that you are trading here and everything that you need to know. Do you understand? And this is just a notification from this pair, and this is just everything you need to know about Euro USD, that the days that they've opened it for you to trade, and then the market monthly changes and weekly changes and daily changes and everything that you need to know, the news that affected it. This is what you need to know. Nothing special over there, and this is where we put it in favorite and everything that you need to know. So you can see this is a history over here. You can see the trades that I closed today. I closed these, and there is nothing special. Do you understand? So this is everything that you need to know. This is very simple and this is smooth. There is no difficulties using this. Thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Bless up.